we work so much with the future these days that we are thinking a lot about how different futures might play out, but it's really nice to take a moment to reflect about how actually our life on Earth just continues, and humans in the future will be looking at the same night sky that we look at, except the night sky will change.
We're at Droog in Amsterdam, creating a series of indigo-dyed handkerchiefs using a custom robot that creates drawings of the future night sky using celestial data.
The Earth revolves on its axis, but it also wobbles over a long period of time. And so, if we were to go to the North Pole on New Year's Eve, and we looked straight up at the night sky, and then we did the same thing every 10,000 years, for 100,000 years, each time it would look different. Constellations would change shape, even the North Star would change to be different stars.
First, the robot we made in our workshop prints hot beeswax onto this small piece of cotton fabric. And then we dye the fabric in indigo dye. And the beeswax blocks out the indigo, which leaves beautiful white lines.
What we're creating is a series of 10 drawings, each 10,000 years apart, of what that celestial sphere would look like. And then we're auctioning them for a donation to a local food bank.